All right, this is Excel 5th grade, lesson 63, and today we're going to be learning about solving word problems involving area and perimeter. All right, number one, well, first of all, the directions say when area and perimeter problems are given in the form of word problems, it is helpful if you draw a picture and write in the measurements. So none of this is written when you see a problem like that. It says, what is the area of a rectangle that measures 4 inches by 7 inches? So first what they do here is draw the rectangle and then label it 7 inches on one side and 4 inches on the other. Since we want to find area, we're going to multiply one side times the other to get 28, so the answer is 28 square inches. Number two, what is the perimeter of a parallelogram where two adjoining sides are 7 inches and 8 inches? Adjoining means joining or touching. And so we have a parallelogram, any shape that's a quadrilateral where the opposite sides are parallel. And the long side, it says, is 8 inches, and the short side is 7 inches, and they want the perimeter. So that means we need to add all the sides together. And so when we add up 8, 8, 7, and 7, we get 30. Not a very good zero there. And the answer is 30 inches. Don't put square inches because we're measuring the distance around the shape. There are no squares going around the shape there. All right, why don't you try 3 and 4 and pause the video, turn it back on when you're ready to see the solution. Perimeter of a rectangle that measures 8 yards by 2 yards. So first, draw the rectangle. And one side's 8, the other side's 2, and we want the perimeter, which means we have to add all the sides together. So we do 8, 2, 8, 2, and when we add those up, we get 20, and check up here for your label. 20 yards is the answer. And the answer to number 4, what is the perimeter of an equilateral triangle that measures 8 feet on one side? Equilateral triangle has 3 congruent sides. So if one side is 8, that means all the sides are 8. And all we have to do to solve this is do 8 times 3, or 8 plus 8 plus 8, which is 24 feet. Woo! Okay, 24 feet for the answer. Let me get that cleared off. And turn off the pen, and then we'll go to, all right, and here's 3 problems for you to solve. They have a check answer, so why don't you go ahead and try to solve those 3, pause the video, and then turn it back on when you're ready to see the solution. Area of a rectangle that measures 7 meters by 5 meters, 5 meters by 7 meters. So here's my rectangle. It's 5 by 7. Area is found by multiplying. So I can just do 5 times 7, which is 35. And it's area, so you got to remember to do square meters. The next one, what is the area of a square that measures 6 centimeters on one side? Okay, here's the square. 6 centimeters on one side, which means it's 6 centimeters on this side. Area, again, is found by multiplying one side times the other. So you should have done 6 times 6, not 6 times 4, because it's one side times the other. 36 square centimeters. And the area of a square that measures 8 kilometers on one side. This one's done just like the last one. 8 here and 8 here, so 8 times 8 is 64. Let's get that 4 looking a little better. 64 square kilometers. And if you add those together, you should get 135. Okay, we'll clear that out. And then it looks like you've got some math facts to do here. So go ahead and complete the math facts, and when you're ready to see the solution, to double check your work, turn the video back on. All right. right, and the answers are right here for you. Can't read them. The first one is 7, 6, 7, 12, 6, 7, 8, and 6. And that's it.